Hi, this video will show you how to create walls in Revit 2017. Now, creating walls that are that are either structural or block walls, both of these processes follow the same steps, which are we go to under structure, we go to wall. Now, by default, this is set to basic wall, generic 200 millimeter. Now, I want to zoom in. Let's say I want to locate this wall from the face of this column to the face of the next column. Similarly, now what I could do is that I could press on Escape. Now, by default, I'm using the line tool under the Modify or Place Structural Wall. Again, click over here, face to face, escape, again, click, and click. Now I press on escape and escape. Now that I have three generic walls, what I want to do is that I want to edit the thickness of these walls. So I could click over here. I want to click on the type selector to see what kind of, let's say, selections I have. I've got generic 300 millimeter over here. If I click on that, it is still generic. The word generic refers to not having a specific material that is defined within this particular wall. So you've got a very brief selection over here, starting from CW10250 100p. Now we're going to get into that. These are basically layers. We're going to get into that in another video. But you've got something called exterior 300 millimeter concrete. So let's try to choose that. So this is basically a wall that is made of concrete with the thickness of 300 millimeter. Same thing over here. I click, I go to the type selector. Let's say this wall I want to make generic 225 masonry. And that's it. Again, over here, another type. Let's say interior 135 millimeter partition. Now you could realize now that these walls are simply three different types of walls. Let's try changing the detail level. Now, if I go over here and I change this detail level from coarse to fine, I'm going to realize that no changes will be apparent within this particular view. Now, these patterns, or how to make sure that this is showing the actual material type within this view, this will be viewed within another video. But for now, and the main purpose of this video, is to show you how to create a very simple straight line wall and using different type of materials and thicknesses to that wall.